I like wildfires because of the moving chairs and the water sprints.
My daughter and I just came from seeing the movie Wildfires, which was extremely entertaining, very educational. We both enjoyed it very much. It was a 4D movie, so not only were the seats moving and water was flying at you, but there was smoke coming out and it smelled like a real wood-burning stove. And we just had a really enjoyable time. It was really great.